The Meteor missile, renowned for its capability to engage high-speed targets at distances of up to 200 kilometers and its speeds exceeding Mach 4, will provide the KF-21 fighters with a cutting-edge tool to establish aerial dominance. The missile's inclusion in the KF-21 program follows successful tests, including a test flight from Seychelles Airport in May this year, where a KF-21 carrying a Meteor missile demonstrated compatibility. This came after two prototype KF-21s completed mid-flight separation trials of the Meteor missile in March 2023, solidifying the missile's suitability for the new fighter jet.